If you agree, call off the train. By the way, you're going to want to check your work on diagram 7, page 4. I fixed it for you.
Hello?
I'm in Neil Graybridge's apartment right now. You should see his bookshop. Everything else is code breakers. He must have everything underwritten on the subject of encryption.
Are you bringing him in?
Not bringing him anywhere, not right now anyway. He's gone. The neighbor told me she saw Neil packing up his car and driving off in a hurry. This is the day before yesterday. So, something must have spooked him.
Sadly, I scared him off.
I told him that I've been dreaming about him. I even found out he'd shot him. I just figured that it was just a matter of time before I learned the truth about it. We should have him in custody right now. We would have him in custody right now if I'd just seen it sooner.
We'll find him, Allison. It's just a matter of time.
I'm not sure we have time, Lee.
Neil spent the last 11 years of his life working his way out of a hospital bed, getting himself strong enough to do the one thing that he really loves. Now that he's back, I don't think he's going to stop killing women just because the police know who he is.